Okay, everybody, I wanted to let you know that once you get your computer started up like this, you've added all your passwords to your social media sites, that's all going good. But I hate to tell you this, you're not done setting up your computer. Well, but hey, I've got my backup flash drive. That's cool. Glad you do that. But how are you going to access your printer? You got to install it. So anyway, what we're going to do here is we're going to go down to the little search box at the bottom. As you can see here, that's exactly what we did. And then we're going to type in settings. Okay, now that we're in settings, you're going to go to Bluetooth and devices. Bluetooth and devices. Now, down here, you're going to scroll down to, let's see, printers and scanners. And if you click that and follow it's like 2 steps of instructions, you'll install your printer. Now, I'm not going to do it here, mainly because I already installed the printer before I turned the camera on. But anyway, that's where you're going to go to install your printer. Okay? And you have to do this, and it's a pain in the butt, but it has to be done. Okay? And that's how you do that. Alright, I will tell you more in just a moment, because I'm going to go ahead and install LibreOffice, and we're going to show you how to do that. So stay tuned.